That is a really big cloud. My God. This thing is lasting forever. I like this spot. See that stick? I've caught plenty of fish on the sticks on the bottom side like that. That's supposedly crab cages, but the grass is all around them, so I don't think it could be that. Because that would mean that the crab cages are surrounded in grass. Or it could be trout lines. Could be that too, but I hate trout lines, so I'd rather think the better ones. Trout lines, people leave them out there. Fish get stuck on them. Could kill the fish. Could do a lot. Harm them. So, one simple or not. I don't agree with them. Just for that instance, I just don't. I hate them. But some people, they like them. They like using them. I can't say that they can't, because I'm not their boss, could say. So I just have to deal with the fact that they're there, but I don't agree with them one bit. Because when people leave them out there, as long as you pick them up, I don't have a problem with them as long as you pick them up. But when people leave them out there, they stay out there and then they get stuck. Fish gets snagged on them. They stay there. The fish dies, which is fucking bullshit that you're killing wildlife. People wonder why fish go extinct. God damn it! Oh, look, he's still there. He's still there. Oh, he's still there. Got him, Margie. Got him, boys. Check him out. You still on record? Still on record. What up? How you like them apples? That was a bass in the sludge, man. Look how pretty that is. Oh. Come here. Look at that. Look how you ate it. You freaking smoked it. That's what I'm talking about. That's one bass for the day.